Would you like to unleash your inner modern pioneer? Then consider attending this life-changing conference and learn how to thrive in a modern world. Hi, sweet friends. I'm Mary, and welcome to Mary's Nest, where I teach traditional cooking skills for making nutrient-dense foods like bone broth, ferment, sourdough, and more. So if you enjoy learning how to be a modern pioneer in the kitchen, consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click on the little notification bell below. That'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Well, I wanted to share a little information with you about an upcoming conference, the Modern Homesteading Conference, that I think is going to be fantastic. One of the people organizing this conference is probably someone you're quite familiar with. It's Melissa K. Norris, who's the author of some wonderful books. She also has a YouTube channel by the same name, Melissa K. Norris, and she also has the podcast Pioneering Today. And now she's organizing this wonderful conference called the Modern Homesteading Conference. This year it takes place on June 30th through July 1st, and it's going to be held in beautiful Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. I'll be sure to put a link to the Modern Homesteading Conference website in the description and in the pinned comment underneath this video so that you can find out more information about it. And if it's something that you want to attend, you can also buy your tickets there, which have been going very fast. And I'm sure you're going to be very familiar with many of the presenters at this conference. Of course, Melissa will be presenting, and she's going to be talking all about fermentation and giving a demonstration. Also, Josh and Carolyn from Homesteading Family, a very popular YouTube channel, are also going to be there. And another presenter is Joe Salatin. He's very well known in the traditional foods movement. You can see the whole host of presenters at the Modern Homesteading Conference website. I'm really looking forward to attending this conference and learning from all these wonderful speakers. Now, if you can't attend this conference, I don't want you to worry at all, because there are so many wonderful resources on YouTube to help you on your traditional foods journey as well as your homesteading journey. If you've not had a chance to check out Melissa's YouTube channel, I highly recommend it, and I'll link to it both in the description and in the pinned comment. She has so many wonderful videos all about traditional foods. So her videos can really make a wonderful resource for you as you're on your traditional foods journey. And you also want to make sure that you visit Josh and Carolyn over at their Homesteading Family YouTube channel. They have a lot of wonderful videos all about traditional foods as well as homesteading. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that I cover traditional foods extensively. And if you're new here, welcome, and I hope that my videos have been helping you on your traditional foods journey. I have lots of videos where I cover all aspects of traditional foods cooking, of how to stock what I call the Four Corners pantry, your working pantry, your fridge, your freezer, as well as your extended or prepper pantry. And I also have many videos on where I share with you master recipes for making various herbal remedies. And when it comes to traditional foods cooking, I show you how to make bone broth, how to culture dairy, how to make ferments, how to make a sourdough starter, what I like to call my foolproof sourdough starter, how to make sourdough bread. I also share with you how to soak and sprout grains, then how to dry them, and how to make your own sprouted flour. I also share with you the right way to soak beans and to recognize that there are seasonal differences when you do this. Yes, even with beans, there are seasonal differences as to how you go about sprouting them before cooking them. And I have a lot of videos that share with you why we want to develop a traditional foods kitchen, why we want to be traditional foods home cooks. And basically it all boils down to the fact that we want to properly prepare our food the way our ancestors did to maximize our nutritional absorption, because it's all about how to get the most nutrition out of the foods we have. But if you can attend the Modern Homesteading Conference this year, that'll be great. But if not, don't worry. I have a feeling there's going to be many more Modern Homesteading Conferences coming up in future years. Now, if you would like to learn more about traditional foods cooking, be sure to click on this video over here, where I have a whole playlist that covers how to make the whole gamut of traditional foods. And I'll see you over there in my Texas Hill Country kitchen. Love and God bless.